These steel drill bit sets from Klutch are cobalt-coated to last up to 6 times longer than regular high-speed steel drill bits. Each bit is precision milled to a 118-degree point for excellent wear resistance. The 29-piece set includes bits in sizes 1/16 of an inch to ½ an inch in increments of 64ths. The 145-piece set includes letter drill bits from A to Z, number drill bits from 1 to 60, 29 fractional sizes from 1/16 of an inch to ½ an inch, and 30 replacement bits for numbers 41 through 60. Both sets are held in a plastic index and storage box. Get performance and durability with these cobalt-coated steel drill bit sets from Klutch.